This is the S&P 500 one-day reading for August 14th, 2023. It's currently June 25th, 2023, 9:05 p.m. Eastern Time. And the shuffle file for the 14th was created on June 16th, 2023 at 11:23 p.m. Eastern Time. That's this video right here. So the overall trend and behavior for the day is a decline. It's going to offer an opportunity on a multi-day kind of scale, probably like an overnight swing trade kind of scale. Maybe not even, but there's an opportunity in the midst of the decline to open up a long position. Looks like a lot of trade opportunity at the end of the day. We've got two aces there. Behavior around the highest high, we have sideways behavior bumping along resistance as at the high, and then behavior around the lowest low, we have a period of sideways rotation along key support and a sharp drop that'll stand out in that period of sideways rotation, in which we revisit a support level that was recently a past opportunity. I'm advised to trade around the halting of a bullish trend marked by a sharp decline through key support. So we either open lower in the pre-market or we open higher and sell into like a lower kind of price position in the pre-market. There's volatility increasing as we move forward into the open, and a kind of fast sudden move higher there at the open before a decline in the first half hour, taking us to a low. That's followed by a lot of price change, possible price swinging, or a lot of volatility there between 10 and 11. But it does look like it's to the upside, taking us to a peak or crest around 10 o'clock. And from that peak or crest, there's a sharp drop, and a sharp drop taking us to a trough around 11:30. And out of that trough, a fast sudden move higher, possibly even a breakout, but a notable move to the upside, taking us to another crest between roughly 12 and 1. Off of that crest from 12 to 1, we move higher through resistance, we stay above it briefly, and we break back down, kind of making like a triangular shape. But that full retracement back down then continues further, and we decline pretty notably into a low there around 1 o'clock. That decline into the low around 1 o'clock, that offers opportunity to open up a long position in the midst of a decline. The decline might extend. It's kind of mixed there between 2 and 3. So the decline might extend into 3 o'clock, but there's 3 pokes through the same price level followed by a sharp decline. And then after that sharp decline off of the third poke, we have a big move to the upside, taking us to a high for the day, or a really prominent crest for the day. Most likely a high for the day there in the last hour at a key technical price level, right at the close, in which one could probably position themselves in both directions, or more likely close out of a long position there and open up a short position in anticipation of a lower open the following day. Looks like we probably do have a lower open the following day. As far as the best trades, I think I would go for, I would look to open up a long position in the midst of this decline. So we go like this mixed behavior here, rally into a crest. From that crest, we have a decline to a trough before noon. You could open up a long position there in the midst of that trough if you do it before this fast sudden move higher to a midday peak or crest, followed by a notable decline, and that would be the more optimal place to get into the long position. A notable decline in that 1 to 2 o'clock hour, probably closer to the 1 o'clock hour than the 2 o'clock hour, but it gets kind of mixed. We go back and forth there between 2 and 3, but I'd want to be in a long position definitely before we enter into the 3 o'clock hour and close out of that long position when we meet a key resistance level on a multi-day kind of scale. Might even open up a short position for a scalp. If I want to be really, really nimble and speculative, open up a short position at the same time I close that long position for a scalp, and either close that short position if there's room to do so time-wise to the downside here with this ace of discs, or the following day at a low, which is more so likely, where we're going to see the ace of discs here at a low between roughly 11 and 12. And that's the S&P 500 for the 14th of August. Let me know what you think by hitting that like button. As always, make sure to follow that rule of karma. You do so here on the resources tab of our website, Tarot for Traders, where we ask that you donate 5% of the profits forward, 5% of the profits back, and make sure to spend that money out of love. That makes you an angel investor. As long as you follow those rules, my angel investors, the universe is going to send it back to you tenfold through this channel.